You may think that this is a new iPhone, but it is not. It's my old iPhone 6 Plus, which is totally dead. It's totally dead. I have forced restart it, and then cannot do anything about it to put it to on again. So even the servicing center said they cannot do anything about it. That's why I brought it home. I'll try it by myself. I just hope I can fix it out. I'll show you how I have tried my best to force restart it and to charge it for a long period of time. That's why I even ordered the tools kit for this iPhone to open it up and check by myself. I'll make a next video of opening up this phone and show you inside of this phone the battery, motherboard and other things which is inside it. That's why I purchased this thing from Amazon. The toolkits for opening the iPhone. They are very delicate and cheap. It suits the price, even though they are delicate, as the price is quite low. Somehow I can open the iPhone with these kits. Here's the tweezy. There are two tweezy are there. One is like a plectrum, guitar plectrum. One is like this. This is the suction thing for pulling the screen out. And these are the helping hands. These are the three different types of screwdriver.